I'm nice.
It's Rashid Cann, aka Shine Cann, here to show you a quick warm-up routine. A 10 switch drill. You want to stay close to the rim. See how many switches you can get in a row. The object of this drill is to get 10 switches in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6. That's where I'm at. Try again. One really important part of this drill is your balance and making sure you're not stepping forward. Okay? So when I shoot it, I should be able to catch it without lunging forward. If I shoot it and have to step forward, then I'm going to be off balance. Take this concept into a real game, real shot. When you shoot it, you'll be jumping forward and landing forward, you're not on balance. Okay, so stay on balance, don't move forward, only be able to extend your arm and switch it.